Okay, ready? 1, 6, 8, 9, go!
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a DIY rainbow science experiment. So we have a cup with some water in it, warm water, and we have a paper towel and some markers. You done? So we have a paper towel. We folded it down.
Get that?
I'm going to get
it. Mom.
So it's small enough to fit inside the cups. So you take your marker and on each end of the paper towel, you're going to make a square and you're going to color it.
I'm making a square and go color it. I'm going to square, color. Blue. Mom, see it work, Mom. I colored it in a dot.
I needed the red one, my rainbow, for my rainbow.
I'll go with one. I see this work now.
Alright, so once you color both ends of the paper towel with the same color, you take your water.
Yes. You take your water.
You take your paper towel, stick one end in each cup. And as the paper towel absorbs the water, your rainbow starts to form. And there you have it.
This not good. And this could work. I draw all the colors down. So, blue.
You're going to put your paper towel inside. You know you're supposed to color the edges, Chris.
Well, I'm doing this.
You want to just put it in the water?
Yeah, I'm going to put it in the water and I'm not done. I'm done. I'm going to get done.
Turn it around the other. Well, you put it in whichever way you want to put it in. Go ahead.
Oh, this way.
You want to put it in that way? Because it's going to soak up the water anyway.
What?
Put the other end in the other side.
Oh, I got it on me.
I see.
See, but you have where I get up and get up, and where I get up. See? Oh, the ball got out!
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time.